I'm Eric Ebel with another Museum Marketing Minute, also known as How to Sell Yourself in 60 Seconds, brought to you free from Washington Our Home Communications. Some of the earlier Museum Marketing Minutes talked about quality photos and video, and the latest and greatest trend for both of those things can be summed up in one word: drones. Once a high-tech capability available only to the military, consumer drone photography and videography has exploded in recent years, thanks to advances in technology and brand availability. Companies like DJI have begun to corner the professional consumer market, known as the prosumer drone market, and there are thousands of cheap drones out there from every purpose, from children's toys to adult toys. These things are amazing, and they can capture photos and video in minutes that used to require a day-long trip in a helicopter or a chartered plane. They can track a subject as it's moving and reach places that no person could possibly go. However, user beware. Flying a prosumer drone may require a drone pilot's license from the Federal Aviation Administration, and there are a host of rules and regulations about where and when you can or cannot fly your drone. To get those impossible shots without wading through a thicket of red tape, why not reach out to us? Washington Our Home has taken all the drone video you've seen in this clip, and we can help your museum create fantastic shots of buildings, events, geographic features, and more. Reach out to us at WashingtonOurHome.com to get started, and be sure to subscribe to get more free museum marketing tips and tricks.